The engine of the 458 Speciale is the Ferrari's most powerful naturally aspirated V8 ever, capable of punching out 605 horsepower at 9,000 RPM and maximum torque of 540 Nm at 6,000 RPM. The specific power output is 135 horsepower per litre, the highest ever achieved by a road-going naturally aspirated engine. To achieve these extraordinary results, the efficiency of the engine has been optimized in all areas. One of the most important challenges was not only to increase power, but to boost torque across the rev range. In order to do so, the compression ratio has been increased to an impressive 14:1, the highest value ever for a naturally aspirated V8. The fluid dynamics of the combustion chamber have been revised to optimize the intake and exhaust phases. The intake tracts feature a new geometry, both with regard to the manifolds and the cylinder heads, with shorter inlet ducts, 10 mm less in the former instance, and in the latter a higher valve lift plus 5% thanks to a new cam profile. Greater power and torque are the result of revising the geometries of various engine components and the reduction of internal friction. The pistons are made from a new material that helps reduce mass. The crankshaft geometry was redesigned to optimize and improve lubrication of the main bearings in all conditions of use. New materials were also used for the conrod bearings, while specific heat treatment, DLC, diamond-like carbon, used on the piston pins ensures greater fatigue and wear resistance. 8 kilograms has been slashed off the engine's overall weight by redesigning the intake system, plenums and carbon fiber filter airbox, as well as shortened inlet ducts and the exhaust system. As for the rest of the car, the 458 Speciale soundtrack is extreme and uncompromising, thanks to an unprecedented intensity inside as well as outside the cockpit. The position of the tailpipes lends the V8 the full-bodied, low-frequency soundtrack typical of Ferrari's sportiest engines. The configuration of the silencers is designed to guarantee maximum intensity and exceptional clarity. The power and full-bodied nature of the sound inside the cockpit was achieved by redesigning the inlet tract.